Hey there, it's George Kindler with the Newcastle Group, brokered by Worth Clark Realty, and I am in St. Peters. Two reasons. One, we do a ton of business all over the St. Louis metro area, and two, I just finished previewing this house on 229 Baytree. Now, this house is actually less than 10 years old, and it's 4 beds, 3 baths. It has 2,700 square feet. You walk into these 9-foot ceilings and this beautiful hardwood floor with this great eat-in kitchen, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, great level backyard. If you'd like to take a look at this one, it might be your Newcastle, so let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And if you like the tour, feel free to like and share it. If you're in St. Peters, you're looking to buy and you want to go take a look, feel free to reach out to me. The listing is in the description, and I hope that you have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.